So actually, in the previous conversation, I don't know if you remember, but I just started working on a smart contract hacking course. It was like in the planning and preparing mode, and now it's out, obviously, since March 2023. And you are also a guest lecturer in the course. And I just wanted to ask you, what is your experience with the course? What do you feel like from the community? How was it for you to participate as a guest lecturer? And anything that you want to share with us.
Mhm. Yeah, so yeah, it's interesting how you build this product. Like back then, it was like we were just speaking about it, and now it's live. People are using it, and they are very happy with it. I can tell you that I have been receiving only good feedback about it. I don't think many people have been asking for refunds. Of course, every product has this, but probably more than not more than 1 or 2% of people. I don't know what the statistics are, but so many people have been very happy with the course, and a lot of my even personal friends in real life who I have gotten into smart contract security have bought the course and have watched it and rewatched it, and they said they have gotten so much value from it because it has a lot of practical sides of it. It has a lot of attack vectors shared, so people are really learning a lot, and they're actually getting more value than what they're paying for. I think this is how you build a great product. And yeah, I have added two guest lectures, which people have been finding valuable. They have been DMing me on Twitter about the lectures. They're very happy with it. I have actually um, I have referred some people to Spearbit, to Oak Security, and yeah, people are very happy with all of the lectures. I haven't heard a single bad word from anybody who has bought the course. Almost everybody is saying this is one of the best things, one of the best investments right now. And you can see that most of the people who are doing Web3 security now have been making pretty good money. A lot of people have been making at least $1,000 a month when they are putting in, let's say, 30 or 40 hours a month into learning and practicing. So as you see, it's a great deal, and yeah, that's why I have still been promoting it. I am still sharing it with people. I'm always saying, if you want a free course, you can go to Securim Bootcamp. If you want a paid one, which goes more in depth into attacks, it has practical examples and everything, you can go for the smart contracts hacking course. You even have a $50 discount if you go through my referral link, which is in my pinned tweet. And yeah, people have been using it. It has been doing very well. So it's a great experience.
Thanks a lot for sharing your experience and for your contribution also to the course. I think people really love your guest lectures and to learn from you. And that was the idea, to bring only the best you trust, Owen. And maybe we'll bring even more people in the future to give some to add some more value to the course. And yeah, definitely we get only awesome feedback. It's like very practical. You talked about the lectures, but also there are so many exercises that they are actually doing labs, and you know, it's more like in CDFs, they are like, they can be stuck and like they don't have the fundamentals. But the cool thing about the course is that they learn the fundamentals, they practice, they have an exercise, they learn another subject, they do exercise. So it builds like a very strong foundation. And I'm really happy with the students. As you said, some of them already paid back the money that they invested for the course and made even more money. One good example is Chris. You probably watched the interview,
Yep.
because he's from your community. He's like amazing, 16 years old, young guy that probably you and I both super proud of him. He's like killing it in auditing contest. He was intern in some of my audits. I heard now that he's also working with Owen on some audits. So it's like
Oh, wow.
insane. And it started like,
Cool.
I don't know, like four months ago, Web3 security,
Yeah.
16 years
It,
old.
it's